Tobacco companies in Korea may soon be forced to cover more than half of the surface of their cigarette packs with warning messages and pictures showing the harmful effects of the habit.
And the National Assembly's Health and Welfare Committee is holding a plenary session this Thursday to put the revised law to a vote. Sohn Jung-in has more.
Anti-smoking messages cover just 30% of cigarette packs sold in Korea and are only written warnings which are easy to ignore. In line with the government's tougher policy on smoking, a parliamentary health committee is pushing to have that changed. Lawmakers will attempt to revise the law to force cigarette companies to use pictures showing the harmful effects of the habit and written warnings that together should cover more than 50% of the packaging. If passed, tobacco firms found to be breaking the rules could face monetary fines of up to $9,000. Company officials could be hit with up to 1 year in prison, or the firm could be banned from doing business. It would also prohibit the use of words like mild or light that could mislead smokers about the negative health effects of smoking. The revision is in accordance with the recommended standard of cigarette graphic warnings issued by the World Health Organization. As of July last year, 179 countries had adopted the measure, with Korea being one of them, but the rules have yet to be put in place. The National Assembly's Health and Welfare Committee aims to pass the revised law at Thursday's plenary session after 11 failed attempts made since 2002. If passed, the visual warning system will become mandatory after a grace period of 18 months. Officials pushing for the move say such warnings are one of the most effective anti-smoking measures across the world. Brazil, for instance, saw its smoking rate plunge by 10 percentage points to 22% 1 year after the law was implemented. According to data by the OECD in 2014, the smoking rate of Korean men was 38%, the second highest in the world following Greece. Earlier this year, the Korean government raised cigarette prices by about $2 a pack in a bid to reduce the smoking rate. Sohn Jung-in, Arirang News.